What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Hussein Riz Trader, HRT here. Here for what? Here to look at the market and say, hey, this is my opportunity. This is my setup. I'm gonna wait. Once you give me the opportunity, I'll go ahead and execute my plan. So with that all said, let us begin. So our plan is pretty simple, based on supply and demand. How do we identify supply and demand? Wicks. The little, these wicks right here. You see this wick right here? When the price came, rejected it. Price came, rejected it. So this is SPY we're looking at right now, and this is the pre-market. So let's go ahead and identify our spots real quick, and then once the market open within the next less than 10 minutes here, we'll go ahead and execute. All right, so this would be a spot for what? Boom. Would be a demand spot, because look at the wick right here, right? Look at this wick, wick, wick. 2 times got tested. This is also a spot here, which is also marked by the daily. This candle is the daily and the hourly. No, not the candle. This level is the daily and the hourly. Cool. So we're definitely going to be trading this range here and here. We're definitely going to go ahead and trade. Let's take a look at any further here. Let me see here. Do we see any other wicks? Ding, 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 ding. There's a wick here. There is a wick here. There's also a wick here. All right, so let's go ahead and mark them. Let's go ahead and mark them here. There we go. That's a spot. There's also wicks here. Of course, this is also the pre-market high, which is not surprising because this is also a level, major level. Okay. Let's try to determine how strong this wick is, right? Let's go ahead and extend this out and see if we have, other proofs. If we have other proof of evidence that this is also a very strong spot. I went ahead and colored it so we can see better. Let me go ahead and make this even better for you guys. There we go. Okay, cool. Let's take a look how this spot is, how strong this spot is right here. Okay. Look at this right here, right? Very near the spot, and he had this reaction, right? Okay, let's take a note of that. That's one. Let's keep going. Look at that. Look at that. It's also a wick right here, right? Price came up, it had a little bit of a flag here, and then ran up. So that is a major spot. Look at this. So that is also a major spot. So let's go ahead and mark it green. Mark it green. Right, here we go. Okay, it's really that simple. This is our supply and demand. These are the areas that we will be trading. Nothing to keep in mind when we're going to take a position. What we're going to look at. We're going to be looking at where the price is in relationship to the VWAP, right? The price above the VWAP, we're going to look into going long, right? Take a call. If the price is below the VWAP, we're going to look into our levels, but we're going to take a put using our levels. All right, so I think this is all I see right now for SPY, and as well as these, of course. So we're going to sit back, we're going to relax, we're going to wait for our opportunity to come. We have just a few minutes before the market opens, so let's take a look at Tesla as well. Whoa, take a look at Tesla. All right. There's a lot of wicks up here for sure, so let's go ahead and mark these right off the bat. All right. Tesla hasn't been doing too well lately. It's just been kind of, on a downhill. Oh, look at this right here, right? It's a good spot. Look at this, right? So price came here and had a sudden reaction, got pushed up. And the second time it got pushed up. So this is a pretty strong level, so we're going to go ahead and mark it. Right now, Tesla is below the VWAP, so it's looking to kind of, open and then go down. Flush, right? So let's go ahead and mark this important level, major level. It's also a major level here, as well as here. So this I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate this. Okay, about right here. So anything within here, I don't mind taking a put. Okay, so these are levels. I mean, look at this. There's wicks here, wicks. I mean, what is going on here? So this is an interesting spot, ain't it? Very, very interesting. All right, cool. We went ahead and we marked our SPY, right? We went ahead and we marked our Tesla. These are our two plays, right? These are the only two stocks we're going to be looking at to take an opportunity. So now we sit back, we relax. Once the market open, we execute, right? We buy on the green, we place put on the red spots. That's it. That's it, right? Let's go ahead and go to SPY real quick and do extra analyzation. What's likely to happen once SPY open? He might come here and then have a push down, and if he does, I'll be looking to buy here, and I'll maybe we'll have like a stop loss here. Hopefully it doesn't go all the way back down here. But the very fact that we closed above this major level, I doubt that it's gonna have this all the way push down here, so I don't mind buying here. Buying with this wick. Okay, let's take a look at this here. Let's zoom out and see where this level's at in relative to previous days, right? Got a mark here. This is an important level to mark for sure. It also has a wick, and it also happens to be previous day low when the market was open, so that's an important spot. I'll make sure that I'm not missing out on anything. I think we're good. We're good on analyzing SPY, guys. I think we're fine. All right. Gonna do some double checking. That's all. Take a look at. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and have two screens, and now we're gonna just sit back. I think I'm overthinking. It was just that simple. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, it's gotta be more to it than this. No, I think it's just that simple. All right. We gotta pay attention now for sure. Now we wait. Now we wait for our opportunity, right? Right now the price is below the VWAP for Tesla. All right. So I'm probably gonna look into placing a put if it rejects any of these major levels that we have marked. Right? What in the world? There we go. So I think in the meantime, let us just focus on what's it called on SPY, just to avoid any confusion when the market opens. We're gonna just look at SPY for now. All right, here we go. Market just opened. Market just opened right now. So now we here we go. Let us relax and just execute our plan. Nothing, you know what I mean? Cool. So this is the level right now it's going to, and it's as long as okay, look at it. There's no wicks. Wicks are being taken care of. So this is strong buyers. Strong buyers. No wick on. If there's a wick on top, that means sellers are stepping in. So far, any wick that sellers produce is being picked up. I repeat. So this is pretty nice actually, yeah. But of course, I'm not trading that. So let's take a look at Tesla. Oh my goodness, Tesla's not having a good day. Take a look at Tesla here while we wait for SPY to do his thing. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Yep, Tesla went to that spot. You know, we could have traded right here. So we're gonna go ahead and Tesla real quick. Let's go ahead and Tesla for a call. Looks like Tesla wants to do his thing here for a call. We're gonna go ahead and buy a call. Oh, too late. Too late. I was a little too late in buying a call for Tesla, guys. I repeat. Right? I need to push down. All right, cool. Gotta push down. Yep. I would have liked to buy it right here, but it's fine. As long as we got scooped up and we're above this major level, I'm fine to continue holding here. I'm gonna go ahead and just take a little bit here. I know I sold it too soon. I'm gonna go ahead and do that because I think, oh yeah, that's the level I was trying to sell anyway. Wow, I did sold too early for Tesla. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna say I did sold too early. Yep. I know. It's Monday. I got a little spooked up and I decided to sell. Oh my goodness. Look what we missed. Look what we missed. Look where he reacted. He reacted right here. I know I sold too early. I gotta, this is crazy, bro. You know what I'm saying? This is crazy. So right now, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Let's cool off, all right? Let's move on to the next trade. I know I sold too early. Oh my goodness. You know, I would have liked to sell one right here. I sold that run right here, which is fine. I don't think I sold too early. I did follow my plan of, selling at levels. And this is the spot I would have placed the put. What am I doing here? I should supposed to just place a put right there. That was my plan. You know? I didn't do that, so your boy got too hyped up. So I had to, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. All right, cool. Let us now we gotta decide on a direction here. SPY is doing too well. It went to that level and it got rejection. All right. Finally, seller stepped in at that level. So let us focus on SPY right now. I'll keep an eye on Tesla on the side. I think I'm gonna just focus on SPY for a little bit. That was fun. That was fun. I wish I could have scored more money than when I fresh the P&L. It only says oops. Oh, it says 41. So which is fine. It's fine. We're gonna take it. We're gonna take it. Tesla's doing good. Tesla's doing very good. He pushed back up, guys. But right now, I want to focus on SPY right now. I want to see how SPY does with these two levels. It got rejected off here. I think it wants to go up. Can I buy at this level? I could, but no. That's not part of my strategy. There's a wick here. I could definitely verify this wick, how strong it is, by seeing that levels also have wicks, We can do that. Tesla. SPY is looking to go down. So SPY is looking to go down here. I had a major rejection off here. It really did. It really did. So I'm going to go ahead and start to place a call for SPY, right? It looks like it wants to go here. So I'm going to go ahead and buy one here. But it should definitely hold above here. I don't know how strong this wick is. I didn't look at it. We don't have time for it right now. But we're going to see how strong it is after this move or something. We're gonna something to keep in mind here. It's holding up above this level, so it's nice. Right? It's a major seller stepped in right now. Sellers are currently right now in place, for sure. And the price wants to go here, it appears. As long as buyers end up holding above here, I think we should be fine to buy a call. But again, I prefer to buy right here if we do get that dip. Okay, so all right, so let us have two screens for Tesla here because we don't want to miss any opportunities, guys. Tesla's doing pretty strong. Okay. All right, SPY is weakening. Could we have placed a put here? Yes, we could have. But I said what? Because we're too close to the VWAP, I'm not going to do that. That's like running in front of the train, basically, right? You don't want to do that. You're going to get hurt. All right. But if it was right here and the train is all the way here, I think we can kind of, have our risk to reward kind of in our place. You know what I'm saying? All right, cool. So SPY is holding up that level. SPY is holding up that level and wants to have a call. So you could definitely place a call for SPY real quick here. I'm very tempted to have a call for SPY, guys. Like, I'm going to just take a one right here because it's just holding up that level. I really like it. Could we still maybe take an L even if we take this position? Sure. I went ahead and just bought one just as a curiosity. Based on seeing how well Tesla is doing and how well this is also holding above the VWAP after it got pushed down, I think I'm going to keep this one in place. If we start to go below this level, I will sell. That's it. That's it. That's it. I'm going to add one more because it's on the VWAP again. And that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. It's either we give back this or we move up. That's it. Here we go. Here we go. Can we move up? It is really rejecting, guys. It is absolutely rejecting. But we're going to see what happens here. Right? Our stop loss is anything below this line. That's it. As long as we're above that line, we're fine to hold here. I'm going to sell the first here. I want to see this wick close. Like, this wick needs to start to get closed. It gets smaller. I want to see more wick on the bottom. That indicates a stronger buyer. So if it's the other way around, stronger sellers like right now. Stronger sellers right now. As long as we don't turn into red, we're fine. Very scary trade right here, but I'm fine though. I don't know why I'm all scared and everything. I think the very fact that I am a little bit scared is because I did bought it here, which I'm not really too confident about this level. You know what I'm saying? I bought it with this wick. I guess I really should be confident because the price is literally on the VWAP and it's holding there as much as it can. But it might retrace to the bottom. So this would be, okay, now we turn sellers. It's fine. Here we go. Here we go. As long as we're holding this level, I think I'm fine to hold. Here we go. Come on. Come on, buyers, step in. Good job. Good job. Proud of you, buyers. Very, very, very proud of you. All right, we're getting to our first major level here. I'm going to go ahead and cool one off because this is a level that I was trying to sell. That was my plan. I'm following what? Following my plan. HRT follows his plan. All right. So now at this point, we're going to sit back, relax, and then just see how far this can go. We're either going to sell it at a break even or already up 50 bucks for the day here. I'm trying to get to that 120, but no rush. No rush. I think we can hold this through up to this level. I think we can. The way things are moving with Tesla. You know how you guys want to take a look at Tesla? I mean, just so you guys know where I'm seeing. Bruh. Do you guys see this? Yeah, I know. I'm surprised too. So let's see how SPY trades here. I think SPY is gonna take over this level. We're just gonna go here, probably here. I'm gonna hold on to this one contract and see how he plays. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it, guys. That's it. It's looking to you know, take over the sellers here. So I think it's likely going to. Of course I'm gonna sell here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be selling here, of course. Can I wait? Yeah, sure. I guess I could wait. Okay. Here we go. It needs to take over this level. I like that the candles got pretty you know, closed. They got closed. The seller's candle got closed in, so that's good. They've been taken over. Buyers. This is a good trade. This is a fun trade. You know, we could add 12 bucks right now into our W. I think we can hold this. We can hold this. Okay. Yep, sellers are still there, and that's all right. But we're not gonna take this. We're not gonna take an L on this trade, though. For sure, we're not gonna go on the negative on this trade. Could I still buy? I guess I really could still buy. You know, but I think anything below this level, I'm just gonna call it, guys. If the price really gets that weakened, it goes below here. But so far, I think it looks like it just wants to continue going up. Take a look at Tesla again. Bruh. What is this? We need to find out what news that did this. You want me to take a look at the news right now? Why Tesla's moving like this? Right? Goodness. All right, so here we go. Right now we're holding above the VWAP. We hold it above the, so I could definitely buy here actually. Now that we actually closed above the VWAP, I'm gonna go ahead and buy here. We hold above the VWAP, so I think we're fine to hold it. I went ahead and bought one more. We're in two contracts and we're barely moving right now. Come on. Tesla is now having a sell-off reaction. We're gonna watch. We're gonna go ahead and buy here. Again, we're buying here. This is fine. We're buying here. It's fine. Here we go. Yep, we got picked up. That's fine. That's what we need. Yeah, contract's not moving really well. If you guys noticed that. Yeah, it's not moving too well. I'm starting to get a little worried here. I'm just gonna. Yeah, our contract's not moving well, guys. Did you guys notice that? It's not moving well. Seriously, it's actually not moving well. Wait, why is it not? Why is it doing that? This is an indication of possible reversal, guys. Very fact that our contract's not moving well. Okay, now we're testing the view up again. All right. It looks like we're moving above the view. I have to call this out. All right, good. As long as we're holding above the view, we're fine. I'm not allowing this trade to go in the negative side. That's literally what's my plan right now. I think SPY wants to move up, but at the same time, there's just too many wicks on top, right? And I think I'm gonna get out of this position, wait for the downside here. Yep, I cooled one off, so I'm not allowing this to happen. Yep, it's not doing too well on the upside. Okay, come on, hold up. Buyers, hold it up. Hold the body. You know, as long as I see wicks here, that means buyers are there. If the wicks are getting cleared on the bottom, that means sellers are stepping in. So, good. Buyers are in now. Good job. Come on. Let's go, buyers. Come on. By the way, there's nothing you can do, all right? I'm just, at that point, I could have bought it, to be honest, bought more. But it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Trying to refresh it without having to go to that, yeah, we're still at 48, huh? Ah, we only got one in. I was trying to have that 3. I got a little nervous, all right? I don't normally trade like that. Low key, low key. I just got disheartened by the very fact that our concha wasn't moving too well, and I got a little scared that it might, it might be cooked in on the downside. You see that? Came back to the view up again. It's not strong. I'm not liking this. Nah, bro. Not liking this trade. We're out. We're not gonna, take a risk on our P&L here. I'm not liking it. I know I don't normally trade like this. Probably should have just waited and kept buying here. But that's fine. That's fine. It's Monday. It's a Monday. It's a Monday. Emotions are involved. But at the same time, I'm just not liking how this much keep coming back. It's fine. It's fine. Oh my goodness. Tesla's doing really well. I really keep thinking I should. But I'm being wishy-washy right now. I'm not following my trade. All right. I said it. Very tempted to go back in on this trade again. No, I'm gonna go back in. Just one at a time. I think we can hold. It appears to be holding. Ooh. Can I see a wick before I sell? Ah, no wick. There's no wick happening. All right, cool. There's no wick. There's no wick. All right, guys. I'm being very wishy-washy on this trade. I need to now step back because my emotions are in now. My emotions are what? My emotions are in. I know I should be buying this, but my emotions are getting involved right now. Okay, we're holding above the view up now. I think I'm fine again to go back in. Okay. I know I just got spooked. I know I could have done better with my trading psychology today. I know that. It's a Monday, so I got to give myself a little bit of it's all right. A little. But I know I'm supposed to just keep buying as long as it doesn't cross here. But your boy was selling off and on, trading something that's not my proper way of trading, but it's all right. All right, here we go. We need to see this move above here. I like that pretty good wick here. We're approaching this major level, so we got to start to prepare. Okay, we're approaching it now again. All right, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and get one out. That's the plan. We have to follow the plan. I think now it's gonna just blow right through it. It's gonna just go right through it at this point. We took one out. I need to find out how to refresh this without going to that. Okay, can we sell the other two right here or break even? So he has in that reaction again. Seller stepped in right here. Yeah, that was expected. That is expected. That's why I took one out. Wow, it went straight from buyers to sellers now. Oof, what a turnaround. As long as we hold that view up, I think I'm fine to hold. The body needs to be able to be the view up now. Should be pretty strong now at this point. We have less than 3 minutes or so for this candle to close. Here we go. It's going below the VWAP. Oh my gosh, come on. Buyers, what are you doing? Right? Like, get out of here, bro. I'm not holding if it goes below the VWAP. Yeah. I'm giving up some of my gains here. I need to see this above the VWAP. Then I'm willing to buy. Again, I don't trade like this, but for some reason I'm trading like this today. It's quite strange to me. Very, very strange to me. But at the same time, I know that I'm correct on this. You know what I'm saying? Normally, if SPY is that strong, it just holds up. But there was something about it today. Number one, my calls were not moving really well, right? Number two, we keep coming back to the VWAP. So I knew this was gonna happen. So I'm gonna see what happens here. This needs to hold above here. Tesla's doing very well today. Tesla's doing what? Very well today. Right? I had to sell it because now there's no wick. That's why I sold, guys. Just want to chill now. All right, cool. So this is a spot here. So we could definitely place a put for SPY here a little bit. I think this is the spot's kind of gonna react, or I see what happens here, right? This is where it reacted in the opening. So this is definitely a spot to consider for a call, really. If it holds above here, right? We got 1, 2, 3. So here we go. If it's gonna go right through this. Wow. As long as there's wick, buyers needs to step in. Buyers, clear this wick. Nice. Now I can ready to buy for a call. Oh, never mind. It didn't go above. So yeah, right now, bro, SPY went under the VWAP. Like what? SPY went under the VWAP while Tesla is like flying. Tesla's in the moon right now. Shockingly. There's gotta be a news, but I have no idea. I don't need to worry about that right now. I trade technical. I don't care about the news. All right, here we go. You know, sometimes, you know, news and technical, they kind of correlate. It's almost like, is it really just news that did this, or is it planned out? You know what I'm saying? I mean, right now Tesla did react to that spot, right? All right, here we go. All right, cool. Looks like you know, buyers are now want to step in. But again, if I were to buy at this level, we're below the VWAP. We open below here, so I have to look into puts, guys. There's no way I'm gonna be buying a call. There's no way. I just don't want to do that right now. Right now, I do want to wait. I wish I did a little more research on the pre-market, what this level is all about. But I want to see what happens here. Right now, we're open below the VWAP. I'm looking to trade puts right now. Now we have a wick here. We had a wick here. At this point, we're going to the VWAP. I can trace for a put on the VWAP right now. I can do that. But I wanna wait for a little bit. I wanna wait for a little bit here. Yeah, that's a nice trade. I'm not gonna lie. All right, cool. Now we're above the VWAP. Here we go. If we start to see a wick here, then that's when I'll trade a put. If I see a wick down below to the VWAP, I will trade a put. This needs to wick. Oh, we are getting a wick here. All right, cool. I'll be getting ready to place a put right now. Cool, I got it on the put. Pretty dangerous here, but I got it on the put. All right, up to here, I'm gonna get it on this put. Up to here. As long as I'm seeing wicks here, I'm fine. As long as I'm seeing wick here. Oh, I'm sorry. You guys don't even see the... Cool. I decided to get it on a put right here because I am seeing wick here. And I'm willing to continue placing a put here and I take my L. I think that's what I'm going to do. Right? This would be my stop loss. Right here. I think I'm probably going to be wrong on this. But I think the way things are trading on the call side, I think I'm fine. Be confident. As long as I'm seeing wick, I'm willing to add to this put. Okay, looks like wick's getting cleared up. And that's all right. That's all right. We have our stop loss in place, so we're fine. We're going to go ahead and sell one out right now, just because we got to that level. Beautiful wick, by the way. Beautiful wick. Cool, we're going to go ahead and get another one out right here because it's another level. Right? Do you notice the difference now, how the put side is trading? This is a sign. This is a sign, guys. This is a sign. This is a sign. So right now it looks like it wants to go all the way here, which is fine. Let it do that. But yeah, this is a sign. You know? Beautiful sign here. So again, I just sold on levels. Remember, I sold here. I probably should not sold here. I probably just waited to sell here, to be honest. We're gonna just go ahead and take our W for this. All right. What I could have done better on this trade right here. This was a beautiful trade. We called it. We understood it. So let's go ahead and look at refresh our P&L real quick. All right, cool. We made that. We made our goal for the day. $100 for the day. That's fine. We're not gonna be trading anymore. We're gonna take it. So here's what we could have done better. Right. Follow with me. Follow with me. 1, 2, 3. All right. It's too much. I'm trying to be silly here. It's not working out. All right. Take a look at this. All right. So what we did right was this. All right. It came to the VWAP. Right? After we had a close below the VWAP, and now we understood. Now we're going to be going to what? On the put side. Right? We're doing that correctly. Let's keep going. What else we did right? We waited until there's a wick. We didn't just like, oh gosh, it's a VWAP retest. I'm going to trade. Nah, bruv. All right? Hold. We want to see a wick. We want to see the seller stepped in. Because we're on the seller side right now. So price came here, started rejecting. I started seeing wick. And that's what we entered. We did that correctly. All right. I think that's it. And we also marked our stop loss. Very tight stop loss we did. Cool. Now, what did we do wrong? Right? We got in the trade, everything correctly. Good. As it came down to this level, I did sold. I don't think I needed to sell here. You know what I'm saying? I should have sold my first one here. And then my second one like somewhere here. Or maybe even waited. You know what I'm saying? Because look at it. There's a wick on my side. I can probably trade this all the way down here, to be honest. I really could have done that. But we're fine. It's a Monday. Monday is rough. All right? Monday is rough. All right? I'm going to be honest with you. Emotionally, Mondays, on the first day, you tend to experience that. And that's what we experienced, right? I think I did way better than any other Mondays I've ever experienced. I think I've come a long way in being very stable with my emotion and trading with the very information that's in front of me, not falling in love with the potential information that may come. Oh, because this could happen, not trading with that, right? And this is where we could have sold that third one right here. All right, I think we did very well on this trade. Did we left some money on the table? Yes, we did, but it's all right. We're in the correct side of the trade. Yes. All right, cool. We're gonna take that W, we're gonna put it into our day, and we're gonna accumulate it for the week. We want to close the week 700 plus, right? Previous week, we closed it 300. We closed previous week $300. I think we can get to $700 this week. So, beautiful trade, beautiful trade, all right? Absolutely gorgeous trade. So, I think we're going to go ahead and call it a day here. We only traded with less than 30 minutes and we were able to capture, $100 really, right? You think about it, right? We're going to just call it a day here. We're going to what? Call it a day. Trading is probability, guys. That's it. Trading is probability. All right? So, before I go, take a look at this here. Do you think it's going to have that reaction here if the price was to come here? The same play? Yeah, it would. The question is, am I going to buy now? Right? Even if I wasn't up nearly $100, am I going to buy here? No, because I'll be going against this. Could I still buy maybe a little bit? Sure. I think it's, 1, 2, 3. I mean, yeah, I probably know low-key would actually probably would buy. You know what I'm saying? But I think we're fine. We're fine. I don't think I want to go against this really crazy trend today, even though with Tesla up like crazy. Like, I haven't seen Tesla like this in a while. All right? Look at that. Right? So there's the news. It's for sure news. All right? Oh, look at that. My long-term position is doing pretty well. All right, cool. So, all right, everybody. Appreciate you all for joining. I hope that you found this very beneficial. Go ahead and watch the next video to really see in more detail, in depth of this strategy, right? Of how I trade wicks, how I look at wicks and identify where the supply and demand are. And you guys just saw that live, all right? So, with that all said, HRT out. See y'all tomorrow.